Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's recipe is extremely simple. We are making peanut brittle, also known as Nkate cake in Ghana. So stay with me and let's get started. And for the peanut brittle recipe, it requires just 2 ingredients: roasted peanuts and some sugar. Add the roasted peanut to a food processor or vegetable chopper, blend until a coarse texture, set this aside for later use. Also guys, if you don't like peanuts, you can certainly substitute it with any nut of your choice. Add the sugar to a wok or pan and mix continuously on low heat until the sugar caramelizes. Guys, if your heat is high and the sugar burns, your peanut brittle will be very bitter, so ensure you're doing this on low heat. As you can see, the sugar has caramelized beautifully. I am now going to add the blended peanut. I'll mix everything together until it is well combined. And as you can see, everything is nicely combined. I'm going to pour the mixture on a chopping board, and using a rolling pin, I'm going to roll this out immediately whilst the mixture is still hot. If you leave it until it cools down, you will not be able to roll it out completely flat in order for you to cut it out into your desired shape. And at this stage, you have to be quite quick because the sugar will cool down and it will be very difficult for you to cut it. I'm using a sharp knife and I'm just going to cut it into my preferred shapes. This is the final product of the peanut brittle. To store it, I am going to place it in a glass jar, put it in my cupboard as and when I want a light snack. This is my go-to. As always guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.